Hey guys, it's Slingy. I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I wanted to show you guys how I make my own charcoal face mask for clear skin, smaller pores and less oil. So this mask is for people with oily skin. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's get to the video. Okay, get yourself a bowl or a plastic bowl. I'm going to put 1 spoon of bentonite clay, which is good at removing impurities, toxins on your skin. Then I'm gonna add 1 or 2 spoons of activated charcoal. Okay, let me tell you real quick the benefits of activated charcoal. So charcoal, it pulls out toxins and other impurities from the skin to leave it extra clean. It removes blackheads, shrinks pores, tightens the skin, and is soothing for people with acne. This face mask is specifically for people who are suffering from oily skin. I'm not sure if you sensitive skin is. I'm just gonna add 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar, which is very also good for the skin, and rose water. I've put vitamin C on the rose water, that's why it's a bit yellowish. This is also good for the skin and beneficial for the skin too. Make sure you mix all the products ingredients together, and if your mask is a bit dry, try to add a little bit of vinegar, apple cider vinegar or rose water to get that paste. And your mask is ready. So before you apply the mask, make sure you cleanse your skin first. Then you can apply the mask using your hands or your makeup brush. I prefer to use my hands. Make sure that you cover all the areas on your face and leave the mask for about 40 to 60 minutes to let the mask do its work. And you see it should be dry on your face, and your face, you're gonna feel your face, it's going to be a bit tight. So I've just washed my face. As you can see, that glow on my face after applying the mask. Now I'm just going to moisturize my face by using Portia M skin toner, and after that I'm going to apply coconut oil on my face. Make sure to subscribe, share the video, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.